Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use glow effect in CapCut. So first of all, go ahead and open up the CapCut. Basically what I'm going to do, you get to see this is the video that I have right here, and after you select the project or the video or the photo that you want, just go ahead and click on the effects right here, and you're going to see the video effects at the bottom left corner or in the hand left corner. Just go ahead and then search for glow, right? And basically after you search for glow, you got to see right here, this is like, you know, many templates that you can use. I'm gonna use the first one just for demonstration right here. I'm gonna just cancel and click the check mark, and as you can see, this is the, you know, the glowing part, right? So I'm gonna delete it and add again. If you want to maybe adjust it or whatever it might be, I'm gonna hit the glow again. Basically just right here, hit basically here is not adjustable. Just go ahead and select this one and then just adjust it, right? Speed, whatever it might be, and you can, you know, change the intensity if you wanted to, and then click the arrow and then click cancel. Basically hit the check mark to apply the settings. Turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.